Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the problem if you're experiencing washout colors in your video in CapCut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in CapCut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are experiencing washout colors in your video on CapCut, this may be due to mismatch in color space settings, specifically related to HDR or the high dynamic range and SDR or standard dynamic range. Now, I want you to open the CapCut PC and then click the create a new project if you want to begin your work and fix the washout colors on your footage. But if you have already a project in place, just click on it to begin editing. Now, sometimes editing in HDR mode can cause your video to look washed out or overly bright if you're viewing it on a standard display which doesn't support HDR. So, I'm referring to my one footage here that I realize it's kind of like washed out for some reason. You see that? If you experience anything like this and to fix and restore rich or vibrant colors in CapCut, you can adjust some settings related to the color space or apply fixes manually. How? Well, all you have to do is go to the section right here, all right? There should be an option here that says modify. I want you to click on it because from here, as you can see, if the color space recorded is SDR and you put a different option, for example, at HLG or a PQ, what will happen is that's going to be a problem, all right? If your display isn't set up to properly show an HDR content, it may cause colors to look faded or unnatural, all right? Because sometimes CapCut may automatically interpret the footage as HDR when it was meant to be SDR. So you want to make sure to choose the SDR here. And then once you do that, the next thing is you want to go to this section right here for the frame rate and choose the appropriate frame rate for that. And then click on save and then go to the export button. Of course, you need to convert it now to the 4K. If your video is capable of exporting to an HDR, which is going to be 4K, you can do so because CapCut may apply certain effects or color profiles that cause colors to appear washed out. And again, after that, click the export button. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.